Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix the reminder app not showing notification on any iPhone. Now to do that, first of all, just swipe down from the top right of the screen and open the control center. Now in the focus section, just make sure that do not disturb mode is not enabled on your iPhone. Now if do not disturb mode is enabled on your iPhone, just tap and hold on do not disturb. Now just tap on do not disturb and turn off do not disturb mode. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen and open settings. From here, just tap on notifications, then tap on show previews. Now if it is on never or when unlocked, just select always. Now once you do that, just go back. Now in this list, just tap on reminders. And from here, just make sure you enable allow notifications. Now, once you enable allow notifications, just go back. Then tap on apps. Now in this section, just open the reminders app. Now on this page, you will find the option of mute notifications. Just make sure you disable mute notifications. Now, once you have done that, and if this did not fix your issue, just go to your home screen and open the reminders app. Now from here under my list, just tap on reminders. Now from here, just select the reminder which you are waiting for. From here, tap on the eye icon. Now in this section, just check if you have entered the correct date or time. Now sometimes this problem is caused when you enter the wrong date and time. Now after you check the date and time, just tap on done. Then go to your home screen. Now just open settings. Then go to general. From here, tap on iPhone storage. Now in this section, just search the Reminders app. Now once you find the Reminders app, just tap on it and select Offload app. Now just tap on Offload app. Now once you offload the app, just tap on Reinstall app. Now once you have done that, and if this also did not fix your issue, just go to your home screen and force restart your iPhone. Now to do that, just press the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the power button until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Now once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the power button. Now once you have done that, and if this also did not fix your issue, just open settings, then go to general. Now on this page, you will find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on it, then tap on reset. Now once you tap on reset, a small pop-up will appear on the screen. Now in this pop-up menu, just select reset all settings. Then tap on reset all settings. Now this option will not delete any data on your iPhone. It will only reset all the settings on your iPhone. And this is how you can fix the Reminders app not showing a notification on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.